Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In today's video we are going to solve this lab, getting started with the Vertex AI, Gemini API and Python SDK, that is GSP1209. So let's start the lab. Click on start the lab and check on the captcha box. Once you check the captcha box, you will get an interface like this. Copy the username, open Google Cloud Console, paste the username and click on next. Now copy the password, paste it over here, click on next to sign in, click on I understand, click on I agree and continue. Now come back to the lab and check if we have any setup and requirements to do. Okay, I don't think so we have any specific setups. Okay, we'll go to task 1. Open the notebook in Vertex AI workbench. Now we have to open the notebook, so search for Vertex AI. Click on Vertex AI. Over here again, come to workbench. Now let's go to the user managed notebooks. In the user managed notebooks again, you will find one notebook. Click on open Jupyter Lab. It will open it in a new tab. Until the Jupyter Lab is opening, we can check for the other tasks which we have to do. So let's wait until the Jupyter Lab opens. Okay, I think inside the generative AI we have to go to Gemini, and in Gemini we have to go for getting started. In that, I think there's a given, it is given as intro Gemini Python, so you can extend it and you can find the intro Python Gemini Python. And okay, and here again you have to copy your project ID and the region at one place inside the Jupyter Lab. And you can see there is a task 3 also. First let's copy the project ID and region. When you scroll down, you can see this place. One second. Yeah, over here, set the cloud project information and initialize Vertex AI SDK. Copy your project ID first and paste it over there. Erase the old part and paste it. The region is also given over here in task 2. You can copy that, come back to the notebook, replace it with your given region. After this is done, you can start running your cells. Start running each and every cells and make sure there is no error. If any error comes, you can rerun the cell or check for the parameters which you have entered. So this is usual. Just click on OK and start running the cells again. I'll just run all the cells at once and I'll wait until all the cells runs and it completes. You can check your progress next to the Python 3 symbol over here. So you can see we have generated the video also. I think that is the last part. No, yeah, now the last part is also completed. Let's go back to the lab and let's start checking the progress for everything. Let's start from task number 3. Okay, we have generated the text prompts as they have told. Let's just click on check my progress. You can see for the task 3 we have got both the ticks. Now let's do the same for task number 4. Click on check my progress. For all the tasks you have to do similarly. Check progress and check my progress. Okay, I think all check progresses are done. Now do the similar thing in the yellow dialog box. It might take some time, as I previously mentioned also, but keep checking on your progress until you get the score of 100 over here also. Okay, and now all the progress are checked. You see I've got a 100 on 100 score. Now I'll just end the lab. Click on end the lab and click on end lab. Okay, now we are done with the lab. I have already got a green tick. If you haven't, you can just refresh your page once so that you can get a green tick. So that's all for today's video, guys. Stay tuned for next videos. Thank you.